Hello everyone, welcome back to this Argus session. In this session, we are going to talk about reports. Reports from the menus, what we have in the Argus Safety application. So this is what the reports consists of. Compliance, aggregate reports, periodic reports, bulk reporting, ICSR pending, and processed ICSR. So first, let me talk about compliance. This is the place where it would show the exploited reports, exploited compliance reports, which are scheduled or generated or whatever state it is. So we have total of 45 reports available right away. So it would show you the details of what all reports are in which state. So you could see E2B reports, device vigilance final, COMS, MedWatch. So we have several reports available in this particular screen. So this screen would be showing you all the reports, exploited reports I mean to say, which are scheduled or generated for a particular case. So if you see a single case 18CH000842, this case has three reports. One is an E2B report for FDA, other is these three are E2B reports. One is initial, one is follow-up 1, and other one is follow-up 2. And coming to 844 case, we have only one report, that is initial report. So as per this, we can understand that whatever reports are scheduled or generated in Argus safety regulator reports for a particular case, all those reports would be available in this reports compliance exploited section. If you click on view individual, it would give only the individual reports available. Means UV individual in the sense this is the reports which are scheduled by an individual. That means these are the reports scheduled from the user faculty. And view group in the sense the group users means a group user, sorry, a user who belongs to a specific group who all have created the reports, or the who all which all users have created the reports who belong to a specific group, all those would be available in this view group section. View all in the sense whichever reports are available irrespective of whether it's a group, whether it's scheduled from a group user or individual user, whoever it is, all the reports would be available in this compliance expedited report section. Next comes reports periodic. Reports periodic would show you the report status of a particular periodic reports. So here you could see a periodic report is generated, periodic report with the name PSUR AMS